how to delete word effect on Messenger. So if you want to delete the word effect on Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application, and after that you can simply go with a chat. Once you're under the chat, what you need to do is just go with the upper right, which has that info option. Once you're under the info, now here you will have word effects, right? Tap on word effects and here you will have your word effects. So just tap on the word effect that you've added. So you can simply tap and hold on to that effect and you may get an option of delete on the bottom or remove. But if you don't get the remove option, then what you can do is just go back and go with the info and tap on theme and just change the theme. So for example, I'll be choosing other theme and then go with select. If you've selected, you can go with the upper right again, which is on the info. And if you go with the word effects, then the word effects might have been changed. So that's how you can remove. You just need to simply tap and hold on to that effect. And on the bottom, you will have remove option. And after that, it will be removed. That's how you can remove or delete the word effect on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.